In this video, we will learn how to make list on a web page. You must be using list while you are creating a web page. Now, in some, it can be bullets like this, or it can be numbers, or it can be numbers and bullets both. So, we will be learning them one by one. First, I'm going to start with a numbered list where the numbers are there. All the numbers can be 1, 2, 3. It can be Roman numerals in capital or in small, or it can be capital alphabets or small alphabets. So we will learn how to create that list, and it is known as ordered list. Why it is known as ordered list? Because it has got an order, means one by one. If you are starting your list with 1, the second number is going to be 2, and the third item is going to be 3. So that's why there is an order. That's why this is known as ordered list. And over here where you have some symbols, there is no preference. You can write any one item anywhere in the list because they are symbols. That's why it's known as unordered list. Now when you have numbers as well as the bullets, it is known as nested list. So we will be learning first the ordered list. Okay, so starting with this, over here my web page is looking like this, where I have used an image. Now I am not going to use this image, rather than this I am going to use the list. Okay, so let me delete this image. And then because it is an ordered list, so it will start with OL tag. OL means ordered list, and whatever the number of items you are going to display. For example, if I'm adding my computer input devices and I want to add 3 input devices like a keyboard or and mouse and touchpad, so there will be 3 items in my list. These are known as list items in list. So li stands for list item, and over here I can write input devices, right? And then my first list item is going to be keyboard, and then you have to close the list item because it is a container tag. After this, okay, this is, then I'm going to add 2 more. Okay, the second one is mouse. Fourth one I'm using as touchpad. Okay, after this I want to end my list. My end list is over, so I have to close my OL tag, and then last is you have to close the body tag and save it and refresh your web page. So this is how you can see that there are 3 list items and they are appearing over here. First was input, the keyboard, and second was mouse, and third was touchpad. So if you give OL only, so it will give start with 1 and so on, it will increment the values. And you can see that I have not written OL input devices over here because it is an ordered list. Now suppose if I want to start my list with capital A, how can I do that? Let's see that. For this we have attributes that has to be changed because we are going to change the property of the list. So it's an attribute of the OL tag, and the attribute is type, means which kind of list you want. I said capital letters, so I will start with A. Means A means whatever the list you are going to create, that will take capital alphabets and start with A. So save and then refresh your web page. So this is how you can see that 1, 2, 3 has been changed to ABC, and instead of capital A, if I want to start with small a, So you can do that as well. Now small ABC will appear in your list. And if you want to use Roman numerals, you can do so as well, as you can see over here. Now instead of small I can take capital I, so it will be capital Roman numerals. So this is how you can create your own list and can define the type also. Then there is one another attribute of OL tag, that is start. Means, let's see what is this means. If I want to start with 5, let's see what will happen. Now when I have written start 5, so what it is going to do, it's not saved, so let me save it. What have you seen? It has started from the 5th position, right? Now let me take it as A. Then what will happen? So can you figure it out what is happening? It is start will tell you from which particular position you have to start your list. If you are using alphabet, so at 5th position the letter E is there, right? So your list will start from letter E. Similarly in Roman numerals it will start from 5th Roman numeral, and if you are using just using start 5, your list will start from 5. So this is all about the ordered list. In the next video we will learn how to make an ordered list. So keep watching, keep learning, keep sharing and subscribe.